Did you know there's ultimate performance hidden on your Windows Power Plan? Alright, let's get right into it. Press and hold Windows icon and press R, type in powercfg.cpl, and press enter. Click on Show Additional Plans. If ultimate performance is already there, you don't need to do the next step. If not, press and hold Windows icon and press R, type in CMD, and press enter. Copy and paste the command under the description and press enter. I've already done this, so I don't need to do this again. Press and hold Windows icon and press R. Type in powercfg.cpl and click Shows Additional Plan. Select the new power plan and that will improve your Windows PC's overall performance. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.